Welcome back to my channel Lifestyle with Fozia Wahid. So friends, in today's video I am unboxing the most famous perfume Eternity Moment by Calvin Klein. This is feminine scent. This perfume was actually launched in 2004. Here is written on the top Calvin Klein. I am opening this right here. Notes. The top notes are raspberry, pomegranate, lychee, and guava. And if I talk about base notes, these are water lily and the last notes are Brazilian rosewood and musk. This is amazing, super cute bottle, and the perfume is elegant, and you will feel when you open the box, you will feel fresh fragrance coming out from the box. This is fresh floral perfume. I will give 10 out of 10. This is amazing perfume. If you will buy once, you will buy again and again. This is a daytime summer perfume. You will just love this perfume, and I must say you cannot go wrong with it. How it looks so cute. And let's talk about this longevity. So I must say it lasts around exactly 4 o'clock. When you wear this perfume, you will feel every time that fragrance is coming out from your clothes and from your skin. You can smell easily. So friend, actually this is a gift from my husband to me. I really like this, and I must say you will buy this perfume once and let me know comment section below that you liked or not. So friends, let me know comment section below that which kind of perfumes you want to see, or which kind of reviews you want to see at my channel. This is a pinkish peachish liquid inside the bottle, and the lid is very tight. I really like this. So friends, keep watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. I will be right back with a new video. Thanks for watching.